Welcome to Kretus. This video briefly discusses the preparation and conditioning necessary before installing Kretus concrete coatings. Improper concrete preparation is the #1 cause of a coating failure. Pay close attention to the steps in this video. Before you select any Kretus system or product, conduct moisture emission and humidity tests on the concrete. Then, fill out your pre-job checklist. This will help you determine the right Kretus products to use in the system. After you receive your order, inspect it to confirm the number of kits and the coverage rate are equal to the square footage of the job. Also, check the batch numbers on any pigmented buckets or individual color packs to confirm they all match. First, prepare the concrete by grinding it to remove any previous coatings or imperfections, opening it up to bond with the coating. A concrete surface profile, or CSP, tells you how rough the surface of your concrete floor is. This is the CSP scale from 1 to 10. Kretus requires a CSP of at least 3, but a more aggressive profile will have better mechanical adhesion. Use a diamond cutting floor grinder for larger areas and a smaller handheld grinder for corners, around the perimeter, drains, and obstructions. Attach all machines to vacuum suction to reduce dust, and follow behind with brooms and a hand vacuum to clear debris. Use a grinding wheel to open up any cracks in the concrete. If you have to open longer cracks and joints, use a crack chaser or a concrete skill saw. For heavier coatings, cut termination lines in the slab, crisscrossing the field with a checkerboard pattern. Also, cut keyways around any drains. Fill the opened cracks with Kretus Top Shelf Epoxy Easy Patch. Blend equal parts A and B. Mix and fold the material on a clean and flat surface until the color is consistent throughout. Follow this link for a more detailed video on this product. For larger jobs with longer joints, use Kretus Poly Joint Filler. Follow this link for a more detailed video on this product. Use painter's tape around the perimeter. If you are not coating cove or stem walls, tape at the base of the wall. If you are, tape above the cove line or stem wall. Tape termination lines on the floor where the coating will stop. Thank you for watching this concrete preparation video and for choosing Kretus, thoughtfully designed concrete coatings.